my gosh, Sarah! Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jess. I post anything and everything about my life. 2 packages arrived and I ordered this one. This one I received. They're both from Sarah Blue. So in this video, I'm going to unbox the order that I received from Sarah Blue, and then in the next video I'll unbox the package that I ordered from Sarah Blue. And this is a book box that I ordered, and then this is a PR package. I believe it's for her book Swallow Your Pride. So let me get into this so I can tell you more about it. If you've seen one of my other videos, I received a box from her a while back, and it was for Charming Your Dad by Sarah Blue, and that was a good book. So I'm really excited. Okay, there's definitely more in here than I thought there was going to be. Whoa! This is so cool! I see a notebook, pens, and I believe the book is back here, and a little note. I'm so excited. Favorite author's autograph book. Best author ever. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, this is kind of cool. I really like how each heart has something written on it. Oh, wow. This is what the inside looks like. Set your goals. Ooh, romance genre tracker. Oh my gosh, wait. I see some character art. Okay, let's open the card first. Jessica. That's me. A sticker. What? Oh my gosh. How do I even show this without getting taken down? Like, Jessica, thank you for all your support. I hope you love Daddy Aiden. Sarah. Oh my gosh. I actually absolutely love Aiden. This book, I absolutely love this book. It's honestly one of my favorite reads of 2023 so far. Let's look at this character art. Like, we're gonna look at this together, but it's probably gonna be so dirty. I'm nervous. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Wow, okay. Daddy Aiden. Just a quick little... Oh my gosh. Let's open up the actual book. This is stunning. Oh my gosh. Swallow Your Pride, Sarah Blue. Oh my gosh, Sarah! Jessica, Daddy's good girl. Sarah Blue. Oh, the content warning message. If you do not like the term daddy, now is your time to close the cover and walk away. We both act like this never happened. If you're a daddy's girl, then this book is for you. For a full list of content or triggers of this book, please visit my website. This is the best message ever. Also, the dedication. It says, for daddy, I mean Pedro Pascal. Let me read the back. He's not just attractive, kind, and self-aware. He's also my boss and my dead father's best friend. I had been running from my past, thinking that connecting with my family in Florida was what I needed to find myself. Instead, I'm at a funeral and being gifted shares of a company I didn't even know existed. Some office flirtations turn into longing, which turns into desperation for one another. When our tension reaches its peak, it's clear we can't hold back this attraction, and it nearly feels too good to be true. A man who's not only eager to please, but willing to learn what excites me. I've always wanted someone who wanted to take care of me, and it seems like Aiden Carlson is more than eager to let me call him daddy. I just hope our secret office romance or the past I've been running from doesn't ruin the best thing I've ever had. Oh my gosh, I love this book so much because the main character, the main girl, is called Jessica. I mean, she goes by Jessa, but I'm like, hello, I'm Jessica. This is a book about me, eh? Because she has all the types of tropes and things that she likes that I like. So I think this is really cool. If you're interested in an office romance, contemporary romance, I believe there's a bit of an age gap, and it's like father's best friend. You'll definitely love Swallow Your Pride by Sarah Blue, and you should definitely check it out. I'll link everything in the description below. I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you so much, Sarah, for sending me this incredible package. I am so in love with this story. I love it so much, and I'm so grateful that I was on the ARC team for this and to receive a copy of this amazing book. I hold it close to my heart. I love it. I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below anything you want, subscribe if you haven't already. Check out Sarah Blue's work. I'll link it in the description below. And until next time, I'll see you later.